Hey there, if you're watching this video, then you have very kindly agreed to participate in the beta testing for Beacon. So firstly, thank you so much for this. We really appreciate it. I'm hoping that you can give us lots of good feedback on the new system, but more than that, I'm hoping that you can actually get some value from Beacon by using it in your business. So I wanted to give you just a quick overview of how the new system works so you can get your bearings. If you have any trouble or any problems when you're using the system, please feel free to reach out to me. To get started, the best thing to do is just click this big Create New button, and then you'll be asked to choose a template for your lead magnet. So we've got about 8 templates in here at the moment. We will be adding more as we go, and all of the templates are fully customizable, so you can tweak them to suit your own brand and your own business. I'm going to get started by clicking and choosing this business practice template. Now this is the main editor screen within Beacon. And if you look at the controls up on the left hand side, you can sort of zoom in and out of the preview, and you can cycle between the different pages within your publication. On the left hand side is the Pages tab, and you can also use this to navigate between the pages in your document. You can also use it to duplicate existing pages, to delete existing pages, and to add a brand new page into your document. Now the biggest difference between this version of Beacon and previous versions is that we have added a new drag and drop interface. So if you click on the content cards icon on the left hand side, you can see a range of options of the content that you can drag onto your page within Beacon. So if I wanted to add a new headline to the page, I would just drag this element, and the pink dotted line indicates where I can drop the element. So let's just put it here. When you hover over an element on the page, it'll be outlined with this pink dashed border, and that means that this element is a content card that you can then edit. So if I click on a content card, you'll notice that this blue menu opens on the left hand side, and that gives me a lot of options for controlling this individual card. I can also, of course, edit the text on the page. But if I want to change some options like the color of the text, I can do that via the left hand side. I can also change the font itself, and I can increase the font size. If I want to delete a content card from the page, and you'll notice in the blue menu at the bottom there is the delete icon. So if I click that, it deletes that individual content card. So that's a really quick overview of the new Beacon editor. There's a few other features in there that I'm sure you'll find the more you get used to it. We also do have some features that are right around the corner. So we're going to have more content cards added in. We're going to add in more themes that you can customize. And we're also going to give you the ability to create your own reusable themes. So you don't have to necessarily use one of our templates, but you can create your own and then reuse it as much as you like. So that's it really. If you have any suggestions or feedback, or if you find any bugs or anything like that, please do get in touch. As I said, this definitely is the beta version of the product, so there will be bugs in there. So if you find any, please do let us know. That would be a massive help. And the best way to do that is just to use the in-app support. You can find that in the top left-hand corner whenever you're using the product. But that's brilliant. Thanks so much. Cheers.